Yeah, question 2. The quantity R varies directly as the square of S and inversely proportional to the root of t. So let's quickly translate this one to mathematical expression. The quantity, if given the letter for that quantity, that's this, varies directly, okay, as what? As square of what? S squared. And inversely proportional, inversely over root of t. This is the root of t. So what we need in this question is to note this this statement, underline this phrase, varies directly, and then the second phrase is what? Varies inversely, and that's the joint variation. So we now have three variables in this apart from the constant of proportionality. So we have three, 1, 2, 3. Then the next thing to do now is to remove this one. So that will now be kx squared over what? Over this. So for getting this, there's a mark. And the a part now, we're told to find the values of what? They said, given that this is 2.5, when this is 10 and t is what? Is this. Find the value of the constant of what? Of proportionality. And write down the formula connecting the variables. So what we'll do is that let's begin to plug in. This one is 10 equal to k times this one is 2.5 squared all over. My t is what? 625. So this will be equal to k10 equal to k times 2.5 squared all over. The square root of 625 is 25. So k is equal to what? K is equal to cross multiply 25 times 10, that's 250 all over what? All over 2.5 squared. So that's a 40. Then we can now go to the a part now. The a part says find the value of k. We've gotten the value of k. Okay. So and then write down the formula connecting the variables. So that will be equal to just go back here and plug in the value of k, and that will be equal to r equal to my k is what? My k is 40. 40 times this one over square root of what? So that's the formula that connects all the variables. Then the b part, find these variables. Okay, so we have 40 when this one is what? When x is 5. So that's 40 times 5 squared all over. And then t is what? Square root of 64. That's what? That's 8. 8 here 1, 8 here 5. So I'm having 5 times 25. 5 squared is 25. And that will give me 125. The third part, find x when r is 150 and t is 36. So the c parts, we have 150 for this one. This one is 150. Then equal to 40x squared all over. T is what? T is square root of 36. So I'm having 150 times this one. The square root of 36 is 6. This one times this one. Cross multiply this times this. Okay? Equal to what? 40x squared. So make this one the subject. Then we have 150 times 6 over 40. Is that what we cancel? Then I have 15 times 6 over 4. 2 here 2, 2 here 3. X square is what? 45. 15 times 3, that's 45 over 2. Take the square root. We have this over this, which is equal to 22.5 square root. So just punch your calculator, and that's the answer for that question. At this point, if you have subscribed, please begin to type your comments. Begin to click on like button. Okay, send the link to your friends and family. Thank you for doing that. And if you are new on this channel, quickly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and type your comments. Finally, also share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay, please join the next question, question 3. We are still on joint variation.